Hello, my name is Mohamed Senousy. I'm from Luxor, Egypt. I would like today to speak about my own project, Identity Egypt. The abbreviation of this one is IDIG. This project is for generating ancient Egypt knowledge for more sustainability and innovation. The whole topics of my project is completely modeled according to the Gene-ius model of Professor Alexander Scheffer. The core of this project is connected with me and the people surrounding me. First, about me is connected with my background, culture backgrounds, my ideal model, about the stories where I got it from different magazines back to 1960, and about us. The us are showing the people living with me in the society, my family, my friends, and the whole people surrounding me, where all of that about me and us is connected with the place, about time, and the people who did all of these events on these times and places. My project followed the four stages of the Genius implementation, started by grounding, emerging, navigating, and effecting. Within the grounding stage, I started to lead a lot of research connected with heritage, art, and culture. And beside that, my watching for the people during their daily life, how they use this kind of heritage without any focus that they're using something from long time ago. All of this information collected by me in the beginning, I thought that it can give them an awareness about the meaning of this kind of heritage and its importance in their life. But then, to reach the main goal for them to give them sustainability through culture and art, it's an important to make a social, creative contribution because the solution would be throw them and throw me together. Now this point will take me to the second stage of the emerging, where it will start by making an open dialogue between me and the people to define the meaning of heritage, culture, and art. All of these things can be implemented through using two strategies. The first one, the Future Search Conference, and the second one, the mental mapping, because all the people can write all of their opinions, whether it's positive or negative, in one place. Then we can make the connection between all of these points to filter them for the first time. The target group within this stage will be in four places in Upper Egypt: Sohag, Kena, Luxor, and Aswan. And about the participant will be for the first time to be 60 people, where they are represented university graduates, craftsmen, and artists. During the emerging stage, the whole ideas, plans, and actions will represent the co-creation of people and me together, where we would like to show the positive and negative together, to go to the next stage of navigating, to filter them, and to have the pure ideal forms created by the people. The navigating stage will be based on one of the concepts. This concept saying learning through practice and interacting for actions, where all of these things will be based on the five senses of the human being, beside that, the connection between brain and heart. During the navigation stage, we will design and reform some prototypes. All of these things will be based on brainstorming, idea filtration, and group classification. During the navigating stage, the whole participant will make the packaging of the last form of production and services, where they will focus on the reasonable price, the high quality, and the added value for the people. But before all of that, they will include A great culture training will include art history, marketing, and designing. The navigating stage, with its all social interactive contribution, will lead us to the execution stage, where we produce, market, and implement services and production to the people based on the added value and the quality. During this stage, we will build an online marketing platform where we will use the new digital marketing strategies by pushing the social media optimization and search engine optimization to attract the people for our services and productions. Besides that, we will search for some incubation and accelerator cycles where it can help us for adding more people to our team and improving our strategies for development, especially for our business plan. And also, we will search for some funding opportunities and investment to allow us to improve our strategy and to push us for more development. All of that is just for the welfare of mankind, whether in Egypt or any other land.